Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a more in-depth and detailed solution of today's question of the day. Now this was the question: show that 2 divided by, and then we've got 1 over the square root of 3 plus 1 can be written as 3 minus root 3. Now a few of you suggested that I do this video or a more detailed solution, so here it is, and I'm going to try and do the most simple and easiest to understand solution there is. So the first thing to do, let's just look at the denominator on its own. There's not too much we can do with this, but what we can do is, well, the usual rule for adding fractions is make the denominators the same. So let's do that. Right, and the way we do this is we just say, well, 1 is the same as root 3 over root 3. So this becomes 1 over root 3 plus root 3 over root 3, because anything divided by itself is 1. Then we can combine these numerators like so. So combining fractions. Right, let's go back to our original problem. We were trying to find 2 divided by this thing we were looking at. So 2 divided by this thing. But we've shown that this thing is now the same as this. So let's look at this. So we've got 2 divided by 1 plus square root of 3 over root 3. Now, what is the rule for dividing fractions? Well, we keep the first one the same, we flip the second one, and we change the sign to a multiply. So this is the same as 2 times root 3 over 1 plus root 3. And that's just our rule for dividing fractions there. Right, excellent. So now what we can do is multiply these numerators. So we get 2 root 3 over 1 plus root 3. So hopefully you should be able to see from now that we rationalize the denominator. And we do this by multiplying what's called the conjugate of the denominator. So it's the same as the denominator but with a minus sign. And that'll become clear why we do that. So this is called rationalizing. And the reason we do this, guys, is to get rid of any square roots from the bottom. It's not really too nice to divide by a square root, so we want to get rid of that. So rationalizing denominator. Right, so let's multiply this out. Well, this is 2 root 3 minus, and then 2 root 3 times root 3. So this is 2 times 3, which is 6. On the bottom, we're going to have 1 plus root 3 minus root 3, and then minus root 3 times root 3, which is 3. And you can see that these two terms are going to cancel. So we're left with 2 root 3 minus 6 over 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. And then we can simplify to our answer, because minus 6 divided by minus 2 is 3, and 2 root 3 over minus 2 is minus root 3. And there is our answer, guys. So hopefully this makes sense. Leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe for new videos every couple of days. Thanks for watching. See you next time.